Look at a flame for a second. Really look at it. It glows, it dances, it burns you if you touch it. But here's a weird question, what is it actually? Is it a gas? A liquid? Plasma? A solid? Most people would say fire is hot gas. That's what I thought too. But it's wrong. Fire isn't gas. Fire isn't plasma. Fire isn't really a thing at all, it's something happening. And by the end of this video, you'll never look at a candle the same way again. In school, you learned matter has 4 states: solid, liquid, gas, plasma. So fire must be one of these, right? Plasma is when atoms get so hot, electrons rip off and float free. That happens around 10,000 degrees Celsius. A normal candle flame? About 1,000 degrees. Way too cold to be plasma. So fire isn't plasma, at least, not most fire. Here's what's really going on. When you light a candle, the wax doesn't burn directly. The heat melts the wax, then vaporizes it. Now you have wax molecules floating in air. Those molecules slam into oxygen molecules at insane speeds. They break apart and rearrange, making carbon dioxide and water. And every time they rearrange, they release a tiny burst of energy. That energy makes nearby atoms vibrate. Their electrons jump to higher levels. And when those electrons fall back down, they spit out a photon. Light. That glow you see? That's literally electrons calming down. So now look at the flame again. It's not gas. It's not plasma. It's not even one thing. A flame is a region of space where a chain reaction is happening, fuel meeting oxygen, breaking apart, releasing photons, all at once, billions of times per second. Fire isn't a noun. Fire is a verb. This is also why flames have that classic teardrop shape, but only on Earth. The hot gases rise because of gravity. In space, where there's no up, a candle flame is a perfect blue sphere. NASA has tested this. It looks alien. Flame color tells you the temperature. Red is the coolest, around 600 degrees. Yellow, that's burning carbon particles glowing like a light bulb. Blue means clean burning, super hot, over 1400 degrees. The blue base of your candle? That's the hottest part. Not the tip. Stars are doing the same thing on a massive scale, fusion instead of combustion, but the same idea. Atoms rearranging, releasing photons. Even your body is doing a slow, controlled version of this right now. You're burning sugar with oxygen. The only reason you don't catch fire is that your cells release the energy slowly, in tiny steps. So a flame isn't a thing you can hold or measure. It's a process. A region where atoms are tearing each other apart and releasing the energy stored in their bonds. Take away the fuel, the oxygen, or the heat, and the flame doesn't go somewhere. It just stops happening. Which raises an even weirder question. If fire is just energy releasing, what is heat, actually? Spoiler, coal doesn't exist. That's the next video. Subscribe so you don't miss it.